Hello, and welcome to our short tutorial on submitting events to events.towson.edu. You already know that events.towson.edu is the place to find on-campus events. But do you know how to properly submit the event so that it can be possibly one of the popular events or even a featured event? Let's go through the process. The step starts with Add an Event. You'll need to log in with your NetID. And it brings up the event submission page. Let's go through each blank. The first is the event title, then the description. The description provides more information about what your event is and captures the attention of the viewer, so make it good. And let's always be careful to make sure of proper grammar and spelling. Let's set the date of the event. You can confirm the date here, and then let's set a time. You can input your time either in 24-hour military time or standard AM/PM. You can confirm the time here. If you have an event that occurs on multiple days, we ask that you use the Add Another Date feature. This will allow you to add additional dates. Why is it better to do this? Each event trends based on how many people view it and how many people are saying they're going to attend it. If you have two events, a lot of people may be attending here the 20th and no one attending on the 21st. If you have your event set up as one event with both days, it will remain in the top for both, even if people are only coming to the 21st. Let's set a location. It's very important because many websites pull data from this system to make sure you use the preset venues. If you find you need an additional venue, contact information will be available at the end of the presentation. It's also very important that we include a room number. If your event has a website, you may include it. If you have a Facebook page, you can link to it there. All events should have a photo. If you're a student group, you probably already have your own photos. If you need a photo, the best place to get it is www.towson.edu/photography. You can log in here and obtain one of the university's images. If you're not able to log in, contact your faculty advisor and they'll be able to get the images for you. An important note with images: size matters. Localhost will not upload images larger than 4 megabytes. So how do we reduce them? The first step is to locate our image. Then we're going to open it using a program called iFranView. iFranView is a great free software photography editor that allows you to resize photos. You can get it for free for educational use or for personal use. So go up to Image, Resize, and we're going to set it to 800. The height will automatically change, and click OK. Now you see we've obtained a vertical picture. We actually don't want a vertical picture. Localhost events.towson.edu works better with horizontal pictures because of the display size. So we definitely want to use not this picture. We want to use our horizontal picture. So we'll go back to iFranView, open the picture, resize it down to 800, save it. Let's go back to our event. Choose our image we just made. Now the next 4 boxes are very important. In order for your event to actually get onto the system, it has to be approved. Approvers filter based on these criteria to determine which events they are responsible for approving and which events other approvers are responsible for approving. So we want to set our event type. We want to set our department. If you are a student group here, SGA affiliated, you would select SGA for your department. Select your target audience. For all of these except group, you may select more than one when appropriate. And you may pick your group. If you're a new student group, you may not be listed on here. There'll be contact information at the end of the presentation to get yourself listed. If your event is free, just leave this checked. Most events are. If you happen to be having a non-free event, put in the ticket cost. And if you're using Ticketmaster, you can put a link to purchase the tickets. If you're selling tickets at the door or something like that, just include that in the description. Once we've got everything set, let's go ahead and hit Add Event. And we'll go ahead and confirm we have our title, our date, our location, room number, description, event type, department, target audience, cost, and the group, and our picture. This is a properly submitted event. If you have any questions, or your group is missing, or you need a different event type, or anything at all, contact Greg Primrose at gprimrose@towson.edu, and we'll go back to you and we'll get it updated. Thank you for tuning into our presentation, and good luck with your events.